Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the science, feel, and function behind every beauty product. Today, we're focusing on the LORAC Pro Loose Flawless Setting Finishing Powder, a soft rose-colored loose powder designed to set makeup with a natural finish. It's formulated for sensitive skin and aims to keep your complexion looking smooth and flawless without feeling heavy or cakey. Right out of the box, this powder has a fine, silky texture that's easy to pick up with a brush or puff. The soft rose tint is subtle, helping to neutralize redness while adding a gentle warmth to the skin. It's designed to work across all skin types, but particularly for sensitive skin, which makes it stand out in the crowded setting powder category. In my experience, incorporating it into my routine was seamless. I applied it over foundation and concealer, and it blended effortlessly without disturbing the base makeup. The finish is naturally soft, not overly matte or powdery, which is perfect for those who want a light, skin-like look rather than a full-on matte effect. I tested it throughout a full day, including under warm lighting and during a humid morning, and it held up well, controlling shine without drying out my skin. One of the biggest strengths of this powder is its texture. It's incredibly fine and smooth, which helps in diffusing light and creating that soft focus effect. It also minimizes the appearance of pores without being noticeable. A minor downside is that, as a loose powder, it can get a little messy if you're not careful with application or storage. For value, LORAC is on the higher end of the spectrum, but the quality justifies the price. The formula is lightweight yet effective, and a little goes a long way, so the powder lasts a while by making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about a polished makeup finish. Compared to other setting powders I've tried, it stands out for its gentle formulation, suitable for sensitive skin, and the soft rose tint, which is a subtle but flattering touch compared to standard translucent powders. The packaging feels sturdy, and the sifter is well designed to minimize spills, which helps preserve the powder over time. I haven't had any direct experience with customer support for this product, but LORAC generally has a good reputation for handling inquiries and product issues efficiently. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with similar results, there are some good drugstore setting powders, but they may not offer the same silkiness or soft rose tone that enhances sensitive skin. For those who value skin-friendly ingredients and a refined finish, this is worth the splurge. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the LORAC Pro Loose Flawless Setting Finishing Powder delivers on its promise of a smooth, natural finish while being gentle on sensitive skin. It's ideal for anyone who wants long-lasting wear without sacrificing comfort or skin health. If you've used this powder, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.